Hey guys, so welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna Photoshop my avatar into Kim Kardashian, or this is a trend currently on Instagram. Everybody is photoshopping themselves into celebrities like Kim, Kylie, and co. So I want to show you some examples, and then we're gonna go ahead and do it. So for example, we have here Estelle. Be sure to follow her on Instagram. She's a model. Like this, she is photoshopping her face in it, and this, and there's so many different models as well. Like all these model agencies have always some girls with, I had photoshopped on some celebrities, like I don't know, this I think it's from Kylie, here we have Kylie Jenner. Like they just photoshop their face in it, and they do it amazingly. Like you can see the difference, and shout out goes to Imvu magazine as well. So I have some Kim Kardashian pictures. I saw that so many times on Instagram, but I'm gonna go with a simple one. So for the next one I can go with the harder one, and you can suggest me some pictures what I'm gonna do. So then I'm gonna do this, and what we're gonna need are a picture of the avatar that is looking straight, and you should use a tan face. So be sure you have your bald head, so you have no hair in the way. So I'm gonna give you a tip. The bald head is from Soy, and the skin I used is from Myru. It's called Sage Anthem, and yeah, and the head is from my youth shop. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a screenshot right now, and I want to give you a tip. When you take a Harrison background, click on the camera and be sure to position it as you like, so that way you will have the perfect picture. It's exactly, well, you don't have to take a picture, you just use the frame, so you have like a guide. And be sure you take the picture in a really bright room with your face light on, because you don't want to have any shadows on your face. So let's hop on GIMP right now. So loaded the image, so I'm gonna resize it a bit because it seems to be a little bit smaller, and with every picture I do is sharpen it, no matter how good it looks. I like a sharp image, so I'm gonna upload mine. So since my head is smaller, I will have to resize it.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling.
So the easiest way is to click on the image, pull it a little bit down, use this crop tool. Be sure to click current layer only, so you don't crop the whole image. So you crop it like that, and zoom in. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but try to line up the chin perfectly.
Staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall.
Now since the body and the body doesn't fit, we're gonna go colors, curves, and try to match. You go up for lighter, down for darker. So now I'm going to use a bigger size, and I'm going to use the Eclipse tool because I want to give a little bit shadow all around the face.
No
path through, click on it, and then you go in the browse and click, and then what you're gonna do is click edit, stroke path, and go to the smaller one, like 2, and then when you click, and here you have this line. I should get it thicker. So with this you can do a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna repeat it. So if you like the Kardashian lips, so we can use it and overlay it. What I'm gonna do is press here again. So I just resize this. So keep it close to the lip, so you have to edit less, like that. So click layer, transparency, be sure it's transparent, otherwise it will be the background color.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now.
So if you like your face, now we're gonna go on the chest. So now for the hair part, to fix this, you click on, go back on your head, right click, then you have this option alpha layer, add alpha layer, wide full opacity. So now when we come to hair and we want to remove this and make it more even, we right click, click on add layer mask, and what it's going to do, you can remove the color of whatever you have on over the layer with clicking on the color. Let's put the opacity down, so you go with the black color over it, and what it does, it removes the skin and it shows what's underneath, like that.
Safe and sound, no one around, say the word and we'll go, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down.
Let me go down there, hide it, and make a new layer about your head one, and we're gonna go and copy this hair, like from here.
And paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now. So there ain't no stopping now. No, there ain't no stopping.
What else I want to do, I'm going to go on the body to match more the head now, and go on curves and just a little bit to kind of match this Imvu vibe. gonna do is now filter, blur, and blur. So we have just a tiny blur, then we're gonna go overlay this. What you're gonna do is press Ctrl-L-M, so we merge everything together. And then we duplicate the image, and we can go on color, curves, and then like do it on the whole picture. I'm gonna go darker, like that. So see here the difference. So when you merge it and then give it like this curves, then you make it evenly this picture. It looks way better than before because now it's all even. And of course we're gonna give it another sharpening. So this is the final picture. If you want me to make more like this, let me know in the comments down below and suggest me what pictures I should Photoshop my avatar in. And I would say this is it for now, guys. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!